Folks, I'd like to speak with you about something today. It's about a watch. A watch that has been dedicated to me for my service in World War II as a machine gunner in the Battle of the Bulge. It comes this way, where the strap represents a machine gun belt. Or it comes this way, which is my favorite, where the back of the strap has a picture of my machine gun embossed and a title. Now this looks like an ordinary watch, but it's not. It does not require light, which sometimes fails. It requires no batteries, which can wear out. Instead, it's the most dependable, wind-up old day that never fails. Praesidus, Type 02, 101st Airborne Division, machine gunner at Bastogne. Vincent J. Speranza, Watch Edition 001, Battle of the Bulge, December 16, 1944, January 25, 1945. Available in the United States.